Good morning and welcome into your daily check-in. Let's name today's pain point: disappointment. You hoped it would work out. You prayed, you tried, you showed up, and it still didn't go the way you thought it would. You see, disappointment hurts because it carries expectation with it. It's not just what happened, it's what you believed could have been. And here's the lie that disappointment tells you: this proves nothing good is coming. But disappointment doesn't cancel purpose. It just changes the route. Listen to this quote. Hope begins in the dark. The stubborn hope that if you just show up and try to do the right thing, the dawn will come. See, hope doesn't deny pain, it walks through it. That's why we have that verse, Romans 8:28, and we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him. Not that all things are good, but that God still works within them. Some of your biggest disappointments were actually redirections that you didn't appreciate at the time. I've had those moments where I thought, man, this should have worked, only to realize later it would have cost me more than it gave me. This is why I'm now developing this community. This is like my third attempt at this. But in this community, we don't rush people past disappointment. We process it, we name it, and we move forward with support through all the challenges, the conversations, and the reminders that you're not stuck in this moment. So here's today's solution. You don't rebuild hope by forcing optimism. You rebuild it by staying present. So here's your practice for the day. Ask yourself this question: what can I still learn here? Not to minimize the pain, but to keep it from defining you. Psalm 34:19 says, the righteous person may have many troubles, but the Lord delivers him from them all. You see, deliverance doesn't always mean escape. Sometimes it can mean strength to continue. So today, don't give up on hope just because the timing was off. Some things need time, and some versions of you needed growth first. This is your daily check-in. Disappointment didn't defeat you. You're still standing. You know what? That matters. I'll see you in the morning.